The next strategy is addressing mistakes. How often have you written a word on the board, a wrong spelling on the board, and you find the students jumping up to say, "Ma'am, I think you've spelled the word wrong." Yes, that is the attitude of the children to find out mistakes. So making use of this particular attitude of the children, you can give them a lot of sentences with grammatical errors and make them locate the errors in sentences. At the very thought of learning a grammar lesson, children or students, they always cringe because they do not like the rules and regulations to be followed in a grammatical category and learn the basics of grammar. But when you give them a set of sentences and tell them to locate the errors, they find it great joy to locate it. And some may give you the right answer, some may give you a differential answer, and you can just discuss with them as to why it is right, why that is right, and why this is wrong. So that is another learning process. So you can give them assignments with a passage with grammatical errors and ask them to locate the errors and also why it should be done. So automatically they go into the basic rules of grammar and you can explain to them the basic rules and teach them grammar. This is one way of giving them work to find errors. So this is like an error spotting work. This can be done not only in English but also in other subjects. You can give a wrong chemical and ask them whether it's correct. They'll say, no, it is potassium permanganate, not nitric oxide, or something like that. So make them come out with the solutions and give them the joy of finding out the errors. So addressing mistakes is the next strategy.